Hi guys, I'm Ravi Kiran and I'm back with another video that is all new Bajaj Pulsar 180F BS6 model. So basically Bajaj Pulsar 180F stands for 180cc fade model, and in this video I'm going to tell you what are the changes that have been done on this new Pulsar 180F and what are the drawbacks this bike has. As you all know, all the BS6 vehicles comes with an catalytic converter, so as well as this bike also has an catalytic converter which is placed right below the engine. So being 180cc, this bike doesn't have any oil cooled engine technology. This bike regularly has air cooled technology and has a power of 17.2 PS power, which can reach maximum speed of 120 to 125 kilometers per hour. So beyond that, it depends on rider's personal riding skills. So coming to the BS6 version, the performance of this bike is improved as well as fuel efficiency is also increased, and it exactly looks like an Pulsar 220F. And let me tell you one more thing, if you remove the logo of this bike like 180F, this bike exactly looks same like 220F, that no one will able to recognize by looking at this bike that it is a 180cc bike. Coming to the main edition, an engine malfunction signal is added in the digital instrumentation display. So basically this has digital display with analog tachometer. So there are blue lights at the back. Even the handlebar switches has backlit function where the switches glow in the light. Coming to the headlamps, so you got two dual projector headlamps with two pilot lamps as standard on this. So every fade model like 180 or 220F you get the same setup, and you have got telescopic suspension in the front. And coming to the wheels, the tire pattern is little bit different from the regular Pulsars. You got off-road tire pattern on both the wheels, and you have got single channel ABS with twin disc, and RLP function is also equipped on this. So basically those who don't know about RLP, so it is rear wheel lift off protection. Like when you hit the front brakes very hard, the rear wheel doesn't lift off. So this is exactly what the feature is called as rear wheel lift off protection. And also side stand engine cutoff feature is also added when it comes to the safety standards, and it has 15 liters of tank capacity where you get fuel mileage of 35 to 40 as per customer feedback. So customer feedback is about 35 to 40, where company is claimed at 45 to 50. So you don't get that mileage. And coming to the price point, this bike is priced at rupees 1,30,000 approximately on road price. So for this price you can go to the showroom and buy the bike. So price will be slightly different, maybe plus or minus 2 to 3,000 depending upon your current location. And service cost is also very less when compared with other manufacturers. You get roughly around 1,000 rupees, like 1,000 to 1,500 depending upon the spares and parts that have been broken or coming to the service. And this is all about the positives or pros. And now let's coming to the cons of this bike. So basically this bike only has air cooled engine. If they could have given oil cooled system, that would be more good for this price point. And the second one, this bike has only 5-speed gearbox, so I prefer 6-speed gearbox for the 180cc. So basically these are the points which are mainly noted for this BS6 model. So this is all about the Bajaj Pulsar 180F BS6 model. I'm ending the video here. If you like this video, hit the like button, share with your friends, and those are watching my content for the first time, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notifications so that when I upload a video you get notifications immediately when I upload it. So I'll come up with another video, so keep following me. I'm Ravi Kiran signing off.